A sea angel. No bigger than your little finger. It's eaten little for months. Its empty stomach glows orange. And there are other hungry arrivals. A sea butterfly. A snail with wings. Both angel and butterfly are blind. But each monitors minute changes in the water as they search for a meal. This angel has a devilish side. Its mouth parts invert to form a deadly trap of tentacles, from which there is little chance of escape. With a stomach full of prey, this angel has lost its glow, but not its appetite. It feasts while it can. Both predator and prey will soon return to the depths, before the ice transforms this coast once again.